my martial arts master in heaven puts it, it is a war between people who can move quickly on their feet and masterfully apply timing and those who can't. In other words, if a rat can do fancy tricks, and break blocks of cheese, does that mean it can take a lion? Think about this now. Imagine a rat doing flips, flying through the air. It's like amazing. Amazing. Is that rat gonna try to take on a lion in an actual combat or any kind of competition that shows true application? No. It must talk about form and bitch shit like that. Same with a flea. Same with a maggot or a slug. Imagine if the slug said, I can beat the leopard. Look at the smooth way I glide. Looking for the graceful way. You see what I'm saying? So what are you talking about? We study nature, not the white man's nurture, with all due respect. So you can keep your JFEF bullshit to yourself. And no, you disrespectful people will never ever train me. And I'm perfectly calm. You will never train me. You listen to me. All you Asians and whites, Jews, islanders, blacks who do not see it my way, or else you would not even offer or say anything about martial arts. Anyone who would dare go there. If you cannot beat me, shut your mouth. If you and your students cannot even score a point, how fucking dare you? And shut your mouth. Thank you.